pretty awesome day down here in Tampa, Florida, just south of Tampa. And it's Thursday night, so I figured why not take out the Shelby GT350 and head on down to Bradenton Motorsports Park for a little test and tune. I'm meeting some of the guys down there. We're going to make a couple passes on our cars, throw the gears a little bit, and we'll see what the Shelby can run. So let's go down there and check it out. All right, guys, what's up? So we rolled into the track. We went through tech. We got Cuda Mustang, Cuda Ray, but he's got a 5-liter Mustang. He's got a 70 Cuda also. Luke Magnus rocking the G8 tonight. And we got my Shelby GT350. Dean's car's down the end. Scott Salvo with the blue car. And the BMW. Babe Tang's car. And if you look under the hood, check this out. 5-liter. What's up? Got the 5-liter in it. So we're gonna just basically have a fun time tonight. We're all gonna put some runs on our cars. Here's the guys right here. You got Abe. Abe's usually doing the shooting.
I'm running today.
Yep, he's running today. Cuda Ray.
I'm running today.
And Dean over here from New York. What's up?
What's going on? Everybody here is from New York or Jersey.
That is kind of true. That is kind of true. Let me see the camera here. And we got Luke.
How's it going?
Luke's on camera tonight. Yep, check it out. We got a tailwind tonight. Usually it's a headwind here. And it's cooling down pretty quick, right? It is, yeah.
Weather's nice.
Yeah. Out here. Luke, what are you thinking?
13.7, 13.6.
Nah, you're going to go faster than that.
You think so?
Yeah, I think you can go 13.5 or better tonight.
Oh, your father will like that.
Yep, his dad will like that. All right, we're gonna get our cars ready. We got to check tire pressure, and then we're gonna head over to the lanes. All right, ready to rock. Let's take this thing down the track. That felt pretty good. Hopefully got like a 2.0 60 foot and hit all the gears, so that's a good thing. We'll see what number we turned. It's always the best part, riding up to the time slip booth when you made it what you think is a decent pass. Thank you, sir. All right, 1224. 117.87. Not a bad first pass for the night. And looks like a 206 60 foot from just checking out the slip here. Get back and see what the other guys ran. Curious to see what Abe ran with the BMW, and the rest of the guys too.
Bring it straight up, so it doesn't cover up the photo cells or the starter or anybody else.
All right, man, they're doing a little track prep, so we're in the lanes. Cuda Ray's Mustang. Check out what we got. Oh yeah, AMG. One of them 1320s. I saw this thing go. Would you run 11.8? Yeah. Nice. What speed?
115, 14, 15.
Nice. One of those 1320 Challengers. Pretty cool. Oh, I spy a Whipple. Look at this. Kind of stock looking GT with a Whipple on there. Look at that. This yours, man?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. What's your name?
My name's Al. What's happening, man?
Nice car, man. How you running?
pretty good. First run out tonight, I didn't do that good because I forgot to put it in drag mode. I've run 1068 at 134 miles an hour with it.
Nice.
So you look familiar, do I know?
Yeah, REVan Evan, formerly with Muscle Mustang.
Oh, REVan Evan, what's happening, man? All right, well, Coyote Car Guy. That's me.
You got a channel too?
Yeah, that's me. Coyote Car Guy. That's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel too. We're gonna head over to his channel, subscribe to him, keep an eye on what he's doing.
The signaling assignments 1, 2, 3, and
Dude, what'd you run?
First pass, made a 1371 at 101.
Nice.
Not too bad.
Sensei's 11 and 12 on the west side of the racetracker.
Here's Cuda Ray. Let's see what he ran. What'd you run, Cuda Ray?
Well, first one was 1288.
And the good stuff, Dean Drink Center, Freshman Center.
1291.
All right. Hot lapped it.
Yeah.
Corona.
Hot lapped the car, slowed down at 10th.
Slushies and smoothies and shakes.
You get back at it. They're cleaning the track right now.
Into Freshman Center.
Pretty clean pass. I think I saw the 208 60 foot, so not sure if that was if it's going to be better than that 1224 that I ran earlier, but car sure does feel good, man. Checked the weather before that run. We got about 1,300 feet corrected altitude. See what we got. Thanks, man. All right, 1228, 117.80 again. It's right there. And at 208 60 foot, I had a 206 before, so a little bit off in the 60 foot, just a touch, and a little bit slower in the ET. That might be all she has tonight. Is something in the 1220s. I was hoping for a little bit quicker, but it's I feel the humidity coming in, and I got to get a little more aggressive with the launch. I was like just over 4,000, maybe 4,200 RPM, and I bogged it again, man. This thing just needs RPM. All right, this is definitely not a Mustang. Sitting in Abe's BMW with the Coyote horsepower, the MT82. I'm gonna get one shot right now to drive this thing because it's getting late. Sounds like a Mustang, but it does not feel like a Mustang. It's got the giant steering wheel like a bus. First time driving the BMW with that Coyote. This thing is cool, man. All right, let's see what we ran here. How we doing, boss?
There you go. Pretty good.
1371, 106. Not bad from my first time behind the wheel. Tell you what, this thing just drives fantastic. It's like it's meant to have this Coyote under the hood. I mean, I'm just cruising around the pits, but still really, really neat. Man, this thing's awesome, dude.
What's the verdict?
13.7 at 106. Not as quick as you, but
Nice, but it's your first run out with it.
yeah, I mean, I never even felt the clutch till I sat in the staging lanes or drove it from here over there, and it's got a lot more in it, no doubt about it. And I granny shifted it because, you know, it's your car, so. But
how's it feel though? It feels like
it feels like the car is brand new, and it came that way. It rides really solid. I mean, obviously plenty of horsepower. And I think Dean, you looked up what that thing ran stock, right?
Yeah.
15.2.
15. Yeah, about 15.
So you're like way ahead of the game with the Coyote motor.
95.
It sounds a lot better too.
Oh, it sounds a lot better. Yeah, that was pretty cool, man. Hey, thanks for letting me drive your car. That was awesome. So we're wrapping up tonight at the track. We had a pretty fun time. Everybody brought their stuff out, made passes, and best of all, we're all driving home.
Yep.
Right? Nobody broke anything. What was your best run?
13.5 at 108.
13.5, 108. What about you?
1288 and 106.
Nice.
14.7 at 97.
Cool. GT350 went 12.20. Give me the camera, dude. And my man Luke, what'd you run?
I ran 1371 at 101.
Nice.
Nice.
We had a good night.
Yeah, we had a good night. Everybody
night.
ran good. And we're going to close it out, head home, and maybe we'll come back next Thursday.
Yep, let's do it.
All right.